In this video, you will learn how to set up the Goodman GSTS connected thermostat using the Quality Install process and the Goodman Installer app. The Quality Install process enables you to quickly edit thermostat settings, run a system test, verify charge, and generate commissioning reports for your records. And for the homeowner, verify a quality install. To utilize Quality Install, you must have access to Wi-Fi with an internet connection. If you do not have access to the internet, please see our video on commissioning without Quality Install. Before starting, make sure you have downloaded the Goodman Installer app from your respective app store. You have the appropriate Wi-Fi credentials, and your Goodman GSTS thermostat is properly installed. Begin by opening the app. For the username, use Goodman with a capital G, and for the password, use Dealer with a capital D. Press the Sign In button. Select Cloud Commissioning. Before continuing, you need to create a job. This will allow you to configure this system, track progress on the install, and maintain a record of this specific job setup. Select the plus sign at the top right of the screen. Input the location address here. If you are currently at the location where the thermostat is installed, select the Use GPS Location button to autofill the details. You may need to allow the app to use the location data. Select Allow while using the app. When finished, select the Continue button. Next, we will add the thermostat to the job. Be sure to have the thermostat packaging or access to the terminal plate of the thermostat. Select Add Thermostat to Job in the top right corner. This will bring up the camera. If this is your first time commissioning a thermostat, you will need to allow permission to use the camera. Scan the barcode. Once completed, the app will autofill the serial number and ID of the thermostat. Notice the Connected to a Zone board slider. This is for jobs that have a zoning board with multiple thermostats. For this example, we will leave this off. Press the Add Thermostat button. The icon to the left of the thermostat information reflects the current status of the thermostat. This icon shows the thermostat is currently offline. Let's connect the thermostat to Wi-Fi and upload the system profile. Select Apply System Profile. Make sure you are within 2 feet of the thermostat and press OK. On your thermostat, press and hold the fan button until the words Wireless Setup appear on the screen. Release the fan button and press the cooler button. Wait until the screen displays AP mode active before proceeding. This may take a few seconds. On your phone, press Continue. Now, you are going to connect your phone to the thermostat's access point. Remember this information because we will use this in a moment. Navigate to your Wi-Fi settings and look for the access point that starts with Thermostat. Select it and input the password 1234567789 and press Join. Confirm you are connected to the thermostat's access point. Now, navigate back to the Goodman Installer app. Press Continue. Select the appropriate Wi-Fi network. Input the password. When finished, press the Connect button. The Wi-Fi icon will appear in the thermostat's display, signifying the thermostat is connected to Wi-Fi. If you do not see the Wi-Fi icon, select Retry Connection to Wi-Fi. This Wi-Fi authorization process authorizes remote access to the thermostat for 3.5 hours. It enables the installer to continue the commissioning process from their mobile device without the need to be close to the thermostat. If the installer needs more time, they can return to the thermostat and reconnect to the access point to gain an additional 3.5 hours of remote access. Press Continue. This will take you back to the task screen. This icon signifies an active connection to the internet in 3.5 hours of access. Select Apply System Profile. Make sure the equipment models listed match what is installed. Press Continue. Next, we'll apply a system profile. By using profiles, you can easily edit thermostat settings on your mobile device and then upload those settings to the thermostat. A profile is created for the current system being installed. For specific regions, optimized profiles are available as well. For this example, I will choose the current profile. On this screen, you can change any settings before uploading the profile to the thermostat. Once you are satisfied with the settings, press the Send to Thermostat button. The settings you entered on the previous screen will be uploaded to the thermostat. Once the settings have been sent to the thermostat, you will see this pop-up. Press OK. This will take you back to the task screen. Notice a green check mark next to the profile with the name of the chosen profile. This signifies the step has been completed. Next, select Run System Test. Press the Calculate button. On this screen, you will input the total line set length and the diameter of the liquid and suction lines. Once finished, press the Calculate button. This screen displays the required trim charge along with an input box to enter the amount of refrigerant you added. Once completed, select Continue. Once you've verified the service valves are open, press the Run Test button. This will take around 15 to 20 minutes. When completed, you'll get confirmation that the system test has passed or failed. Press Continue. This takes you back to the task screen. Notice the green check mark next to the system test completed. Next, select Verify Charge. This screen lists the previously calculated trim charge, added charge, and any additional charge if needed. Press the Verify button. Now, charge verification will start. The system will increase the compressor's speed to 100%, stabilizing the system. Once the text displays System Stable and the calculated subcool is displayed, confirm the line is within the green band. If the line falls outside the green band, charge in 5-minute intervals until the line appears within the green band. If the subcool value is not displayed or does not match what you see on your gauges, click here for more information. Press the X to return to the previous screen. Once you complete the verification process, you can press this button or wait until this pop-up appears. Press Continue. A green check mark is now beside Charge Verified, indicating this step is complete. To view the report that was created, select this link. You can view the commissioning report or homeowner report by selecting these buttons. The dealer report is a detailed report intended for installers, while the homeowner report is an overview of the system setup for consumers. Click the Share Report button to email either report. Once you're finished viewing the report, select the X to go back to the previous screen. Selecting this menu enables you to edit thermostat settings, view the report, or remove the thermostat from the job. To complete the commissioning of the thermostat, press the Job Completed button. This takes you back to the job list. You have just completed the commissioning of the Goodman GSTS thermostat using the quality install process with the Goodman Installer app.